Hello everyone, Amy here. I accidentally deleted my second angle, and in doing so, I also deleted my audio, and then I cleaned out my junk folder before realizing. So this video today only has my overhead angle. I'm doing another cloud pour today, inspired by Molly. My colors are super pretty in this piece. I love this iridescent green yellow with the Amsterdam reflex green. It just brightens up that green. Along with Amsterdam's Prussian blue for some contrast. Love those dark colors with the cloud mix. This is Deco Art's Champagne Gold. Gotta have a little bit of shimmer in there. And this is, it's a pretty Robin's egg blue that was created from this piece, the table scrapings after I did that piece. And I will link that video at the end. So here I am painting my sides. Anytime I do a piece that I'm tilting, I try to remember to paint the sides. And remember is the key word because sometimes I get excited and forget to paint the sides. But when I'm tilting, there's always a chance of not getting enough coverage, and by painting your sides, you automatically get your canvas covered. So it's always a great little tip. Once I start swiping, you'll notice that the cloud mix doesn't react right away. At first, I wasn't getting the cells coming through, but once I started tilting, once the paint starts to slide over top of each other, the reaction is really, really amazing, and this piece ends up really, really beautiful. I actually have it hanging on the wall behind me where my computer is, and I see it every day. It's not quite cured yet, so it is not varnished, and I am really looking forward to seeing it varnished and getting it up on my website for sale. But if you're interested in this piece, please send me an email at amysacrylicartistry@gmail.com, and we'll set that up for you. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I always love to hear what my viewers think of the pieces that I create, and hit that thumbs up as well as the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And so here I am swiping, and the cloud mix is already starting to react, which I love. And as most of you know, I love to play with my editing techniques. I love doing a little reverse in there just to sort of throw everyone off. It always throws me off as I'm doing my voiceovers as well. And there's the cloud mix reacting. I sped that part up, which was really pretty. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm really, really close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you that has already subscribed. And I'm going back in here with my smaller palette knives just to add some movement, to add some interest, just to sort of finish touching up those areas that still have some cloud mix that I want color in and reacting with, and then I will get tilting. I always try to keep some extra paint in my cups left over at the end in case I want to add in some extra color, which I do in a couple of spots here. And the way that I do it is I added in just a couple of ribbons. I really wanted to get a little bit more of the green in there, so that's why I poured a little bit out onto my silicone mat to get it where I wanted to. And it's your art. You can add whatever you want to it. Just because you're doing a certain technique doesn't mean you can't add in other techniques. And these ribbons that I add in just add in that extra little pop that I was looking for. I was so happy that I added these in, and the cloud mix reacts, and I love how that last little section turned out. So here we are with the close-up. I love the lines that the cloud mix has created. It's a very different technique. It's a very different reaction, and it's so pretty, so absolutely pretty. And if you've watched this far, I would love if you would leave me a comment with some green hearts to let me know that you have watched almost to the end. I do appreciate those of you who watch my full videos. I try not to make them too long, but it also helps with watch time, as most of you will know. So there are those ribbons with the cloud mix in with them. Love those. Let me know what you think of those ribbons. The shimmer is so pretty. Like I said, I can hardly wait to be able to varnish this piece and get it posted up on my website, which is www.amysacrylicartistry.com. All right, everyone. Thank you so very much for watching. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.